In this tutorial we're going to take a look at doing property inspections without an internet connection, which means that we're going to do our property inspection while offline. There's a few important things to be aware of, so we're going to go through that in this tutorial. You'll notice on the login screen there's an option here to operate offline, so if I want to go offline I'll turn that on. But the first important thing I need to know is that before I can do a property inspection offline, I need to load the inspection online. So I need to log in online. I'm going to use the username AAA. That's just one of my users. I need to go to the inspection screen and I need to load my schedule, and I need to make sure that the inspection that I want to do is visible on the screen. Here's an inspection for 1 o'clock down here. This is the inspection I want to do offline. Now that I can see it on screen, it means that that inspection is now being saved onto this local device, this local phone, which means that I can now go offline and the phone will still know the details about that inspection, like when it is and what time it is. So I'll log off, and now I'm going to log back on again, and this time I'm going to choose to go offline. When I go offline I still need to enter a username and password, and I need to enter the same username and password that I previously used when I was online. So I'm going to use the same username of AAA, which is the one I used previously. So when I go offline, most of the menu options have disappeared, but the tenant inspection menu option is still available. And down here, that's the inspection that I previously loaded when I was online, so I can now do that inspection. If I forget to do the online bit first and I come to this screen could be empty. But what I could do if I needed to is I could actually just click on the calendar here and create a new inspection. The disadvantage of doing this is that I could mean that I'm doubling up my inspection. I got the original inspection that I've done on the desktop computer, and now I'm creating a second inspection on the mobile device. So ideally I don't want to do this. Ideally I just want to have the one inspection. So now I can do this inspection down here. If I click on it, I can start recording results just as if I was online. So if I choose one of the rooms, say the kitchen, I could put in some comments. Maybe I'll do another comment. Maybe I'll do an automatic comment for this one. Maybe I'll give this one a rating of 3. Offline I can also still take photos. So if I click on the take a photo of this room option, I can take a photo, accept that, and that photo has now been taken. So I can take comments of all the other rooms and photos of the other rooms, and eventually once I've finished all my inspection I'll just press OK to save it. So that's now been saved to the local device. It hasn't yet gone up to the internet, so it's only on my machine, on the phone. So I'll log back out again. Now I'm going to log back in, and this time I'm going to go online. So I won't tick the offline option, I'll just log in online. Now this login online could take longer than normal because during the login process my inspection results and my photos are going to be uploaded to the internet. So if I took a lot of photos, that login could take a long time. I only had one photo, so it didn't take very long. But if I go to my inspection, I load my schedule again, I can now go to the results. Let's go to the kitchen. So there's the comments that I took, there's their rating that I gave of 3, and there's the one photo attachment that I took. So that's all now online again. So that's how we do our inspections offline. So the two important things to remember: firstly, you need to go online to load your inspections onto the mobile device before you go offline, and secondly, you still need to log in when you're offline. You need to use the same username and password that you previously used when you were online.